way, and let's explore the rainbow way. We'll find a land of candy trees, where lollipops sway in the breeze. Chocolate rivers sweet and slow, with sprinkles falling like the snow. The birds all sing a rainbow song as we skip and hop along. Butterflies with wings so bright join our colorful delight. We'll visit stars that twinkle high in the colors of the sky. Each one whispers soft and clear tales of rainbows far and near. Bouncing on a rainbow bed, dreams of colors fill our head. Purple ponies, green giraffes, make us giggle, make us laugh. The moon joins in with silver light, turning dark to day so bright. We'll chase the beams from night to noon, riding on a rainbow moon. In our garden flowers bloom, painting rainbows room to room. Sunflowers yellow, roses red, colors dance above our head. The raindrops fall, but do not fear, they bring the rainbow even near. With each drop the colors grow, making magic, watch it glow. In rainbow seas we'll sail our ship, on colorful waves we take a trip. Jellyfish and fish so bright guide us through the glowing night. We'll find a castle made of light, with rainbow walls shining bright. Inside the treasure that we'll see is the joy of colors wild and free. The rainbow bridge will lead us home, but in our hearts we'll always roam. Through the skies, the fields, the streams, always chasing rainbow dreams. So as you sleep, just close your eyes and let the rainbow fill the skies. In your dreams you'll always find a world of colors intertwined. And when you wake to morning's light, the rainbow will still be in sight.
Grab your crayon and sing-a-loo, sing-a-lance. Grab your crayons, let's start to play. Drawing and painting in a colorful way. Red, blue, yellow, green, and more. Let's create art, there's so much in store. Draw and paint, sing-a-loo, let's have some fun. Sing-a-colors and shapes for everyone. With our brushes and our pens, we're making art with all our friends. Woo! Circle, square, and a triangle too. Drawing shapes is fun to do. Rainbow colors, bright and true. Paint the sky in every hue. Draw and paint, sing-a-loo, let's have some fun. Sing-a-colors and shapes for everyone. With our brushes and our pens, we're making art with all our friends. Mix the colors, watch them blend, creating magic with every friend.